Spy Ninjas, we think we discovered PZ9's real name. We think it's Marlon, Marmar, our friend.
PZ9 is right over there. We're about to confirm if he actually is Marlon.
We're gonna yell out his name, and if he turns around, then we know it's Marlon.
Okay, ready, V? 1, 2, 3.
Marlon!
Hey, Marlon!
Marlon!
Oh
my gosh, did you see that? He turned around!
Definitely did.
It's definitely Marlon!
Hey, did he see us?
I'm not sure.
He's coming this way, V.
Let's run!
Hi,
coming.
Go, 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 go! Run, V, run!
Oh my gosh! Wait.
Very good. This isn't a great hiding space, V.
No, it's not. Maybe we should just confront him.
I'm pretty sure he sees us.
Oh my gosh!
No use trying to hide, Spy Ninjas.
Hey, we found out your real name, PZ9. It's Marlon. So we're gonna make you a deal here. We won't tell Project Zorgo your real name if you don't tell Project Zorgo where a safe house is.
What do you say?
My name is Marlon? You silly, silly Spy Ninja.
Oh.
You all are totally wrong.
What? Oh. Hey! Hey! Oh.
Daniel, are you okay?
Yeah,
you okay?
I'm okay. His name isn't Marlon.
Yeah, he's on his way to the Project Zorgo right now.
Yeah, he's gonna tell them where our safe house is.
We gotta catch up to him because if Project Zorgo knows where we live, they're gonna come and invade our house and kick us out. If we figure out his name, he's gonna be too afraid because Project Zorgo will know his true identity.
We gotta like trick PZ9 into writing his name down somewhere. Oh, we can do that.
Oh, wait, there's a Starbucks right over there.
Oh, you're right there. Wait, so what?
PZ9 likes Starbucks. And don't they always write your name on the cup?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and we did this trick back when you were still PZ1.
What?
We followed you to Starbucks.
You did?
And that's how we got your name and your information. You didn't even know that we were there.
Okay, well, yeah, but how are we gonna lure him into Starbucks?
How about you hack the Starbucks app and say that there's free drinks in the next 15 minutes?
Oh, and PZ9 would be like, oh, free drinks, I gotta go to Starbucks.
Yeah, he doesn't have any money, so he's gonna go.
Of course. Here's the Starbucks app. Let me run my hacking program. Free drinks in the next 15 minutes. Okay, I sent it. Is it working?
Oh, I just got your alert. Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
Yes, it's working, it's working.
Oh, I put a typo in there, but it'll still be okay, I think.
Oh gosh, you can't spell, Daniel.
I was in a hurry.
Okay guys, we're here at Starbucks. Let's get out your AirPod, Daniel.
Okay.
And then we can place it somewhere inside Starbucks and we can spy on PZ9 that way.
Okay, perfect. Got the AirPods right here. I'm just gonna put them next to the counter so we can eavesdrop on him.
Okay. Okay, while Daniel's doing that, I didn't know that he can't spell very well. Let me know if you guys catch the spelling error that he made. So embarrassing. Oh my gosh.
All right, let's go in the Starbucks here. Dang, there's a lot of people in here right now. All right, I'm gonna go over to this little table here and put my AirPod right there on the table, okay?
I guess Daniel didn't really pay attention in school during spelling tests and stuff. You guys need to pay attention during spelling tests because you're gonna need that skill in the future, especially if you want to be a spy ninja. Did you do it?
Yeah, I put the AirPod right on the table over there. PZ9 should be coming here any moment. Okay, you see him anywhere, V?
Okay, wait.
Wait a minute. There's a bunch of people.
There's 2 people in black.
Oh, wait. Oh my gosh, look at all the people! Everybody got my Starbucks message!
Is he going in?
I can't tell. Let me get a closer look. Oh! He went in! He definitely went in, V!
Okay, we gotta listen now.
Yeah. Alright, the one AirPod is on the counter. We can listen to what PZ9 is saying.
I heard there were free drinks today.
Sir, we have no free drinks.
What? We totally tricked him. Good job, Daniel.
Wait a minute. Is he still gonna buy something though? If it's not free?
Oh, I hope he has money. I don't know if he has any. He doesn't work for Project Zorgo anymore, so I don't know where he's getting his paycheck.
You know what? Maybe the cashier will just say, what's your name? He'll say his name. We don't have to worry about him writing on the cup.
Yeah.
Can I have a name for the order?
Oh, here it is.
My name is...
What? Who's calling you?
Oh no! Chad, wild clay!
Gosh!
Hello? Chad, what do you need, man?
We're in the middle of a mission here. We're about to find out PZ9's real name.
Yeah, you called right when he's about to say it.
I was just trying to make sure you guys were okay.
Gosh!
Man.
Okay, let's get back to the AirPod.
Have a nice day.
Oh, he's leaving.
Whatever.
Okay. There he is. There's PZ9. Oh good, he did order a drink. Oh, I can't really tell if his name is written on it.
Dang, we're never gonna be able to see what the name is on PZ9's Starbucks cup. He has to like put it down somehow.
Oh, yeah. Okay, how do we get him to put it down? Gosh, what is he like? What is he obsessed with? Being famous, right? He like wants to take over YouTube, so he obviously wants to be a YouTuber and really famous.
He has his own YouTube channel now and he keeps asking us for subscribers.
I know, but hopefully he never gets more subscribers than us. But that will never happen if you guys go below this video right now, hit the subscribe button and make it great, and hit that bell symbol too. Maybe we should create like a fake advertisement for like free subscribers count.
Oh, I got some paper and pens on my backpack.
Oh, okay, I have great penmanship, so I'll do the writing, Daniel.
Okay.
I always have to fight Chad because Chad has horrible handwriting, so I don't know if you have bad handwriting or not.
Huh. I don't think I've ever written anything lately.
Oh, kind of like you never go outside?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here's a paper.
Okay.
A pen.
If you want a lot of subscribers, call this number. We'll definitely fall for this. Let's tape it on this pole right here.
Stick it on right there. Wait a minute, V, how is this sign gonna make PZ9 put his drink down? He's just gonna look at it and then say cool and walk away.
Okay, we need to stick this up like way higher. So he needs to jump, kind of like me. I have to do that like for everything. And then he has to put down his drink.
Oh, that's a great idea, V. How are we gonna make the sign go up that high?
Just boost me up, Buttercup.
Oh, get on my leg right here. I'll give you a boost.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Go!
Go! Oh,
Got
yeah.
it.
Here you go.
Oh my gosh, look how high it is.
Yes, perfect.
He'll definitely need to put his drink down.
Let's go back to the tree and hide.
PZ9 should be on his way soon with his Starbucks cup. He should be coming around that corner right there.
Okay.
Here he comes.
Oh, there he is. Okay. Please see the sign, PZ9. You want more subscribers, don't you?
Yeah.
Oh, he's coming.
He spots the sign.
Yeah, he sees it. That's it. What's it say, PZ9?
Want more subscribers? Of course!
Yeah.
There you go, PZ9. You gotta figure out what the phone number is, though.
Yeah.
You gotta get a closer look at that sign.
He's too short. He can't reach it. Come on, put down the drink.
Yes. Oh no. He's jumping.
No, he's not putting it down.
Yeah. I thought he was gonna climb it up. V, the plan is not working.
It's not working.
Oh
my gosh, he spilled drinks all over his pants.
Oh crap! Are you kidding me? Oh, come on!
He peed his pants again.
Yeah, that's like one of his worst fears.
Hey, come on!
He just dropped his cup.
Your plan actually worked, V, in a weird way. He threw it on the ground.
He's going away. Okay, let's go grab it.
Let's go. There it is.
Ew.
It's just a Starbucks drink.
Ew, but it's PZ9's. Gross.
So what's his name? What's his name?
It's all smudge.
It
Look
is.
at that.
That was it right there.
Yeah, that one is definitely a V.
Oh, yeah, that's like the only letter we can see. So that means there's definitely a V in his name somewhere.
We know it ends with an IN, and we know that it starts with an M. There's a V in it now.
Ah, V, there's no hope. We're never gonna find out what PZ9's real name is.
Gosh, if only there's a way that we can have him sign his signature again somehow. So like, when do people need to sign their names for things? Like on contracts?
The last time I signed my name for something was when I got a package in the mail.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Call him, V, call him.
Yeah, I'm calling. It's ringing.
Hey, bros, what's going on?
Is that Dax? I think that's Dax!
That's him! Hey, man!
Yeah.
Dax! Hey!
My ninjas, Vi and Daniel!
It's pronounced V?
Sorry.
Hey, thanks for coming and helping us, man.
Of course.
Dax! You got the Spy Essential Kit!
Oh, the Spy Essential Kit!
Oh my gosh!
Hey.
We're like twinning right now! Guys, if you want to get your own Spy Essential Kit just like Dax and I, link is in the description below. We got binoculars. No,
Oh, there's also a compass.
it's a compass. You got a flashlight and a little wristband too. Dax, we need your help because we need to figure out what PZ9's real name is.
And we thought, oh, we can just get a signature from him. That's where you come into play, Dax.
Yeah, because some packages require signature.
Ah, I get to use my Spy Ninja delivery skills.
Yeah, so our plan is we're gonna give you a box. You go up to PZ9 and you say, it's a prize for you, PZ9, but we need your signature. And then we'll find out what his name is.
Well, speaking of signatures, can you guys sign my Spy Essentials kit? Yeah!
Dax, we're in the middle of a mission here. If you deliver PZ9 the prize, we'll sign your Spy Essentials kit. V, what's wrong?
Hold on, Dax, I mean, I think you're like pretty good at your job. I'm not sure if this is the mission for you. I think might be the mission for Daniel.
Well, do you need me to protect you guys from hackers or something?
Oh
my gosh. Okay, Daniel, look at his ninja moves. It's not that good.
Yeah, you know what?
Yeah, PZ9 is the best fighter, he proclaims. I think this is the job for like the real Spy Ninjas, me and you.
Yeah, it's for his own safety, I guess.
Yeah.
And you know what? He's the whole reason we're in this predicament right now.
Exactly. I mean, he didn't even know that PZ9 was following him, which led us to our safe house. He jeopardized our safety.
Okay, that's true, but then how else are we gonna deliver a package to PZ9 without Dax?
That's true. Wait a minute. Why don't you go undercover as Dax? You should dress up as Dax.
Dress up as Dax?
Yeah. Your ninja moves are closer to him, too.
Hey!
Just kidding, Daniel.
Let's go ask him for his uniform.
Yeah. Dax, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm just taking a Spy Ninja break.
Oh, okay.
Weird question, but can you remove all your clothes? If you could give me your uniform. And you know what? In exchange, I'll give you some cool CWC merch.
Oh, yeah, merch, cool. I thought you were expecting me to walk around like in my birthday suit.
Oh. No.
All right, Danielle, I'm really excited for that signature afterwards.
All right. Thanks a lot for helping us, man. What's going on down there?
I don't think I've ever seen your legs before, Daniel.
Oh, you know what? I don't think I've seen them in years.
I mean, you obviously still look like Daniel.
Oh, you're right. I gotta get like blonde hair somehow.
Yeah.
I gotta go to like a store or something.
Okay.
There's a store right down the block over there.
Bye.
Let's go to the costume store.
I've never seen legs that bright before. Jeez, he needs to get out in the sun more.
Man, I can't find any wigs here. Maybe they don't have any wigs. Okay, well, I have to find a way to disguise my face because PZ9 is definitely gonna recognize that it's me, Daniel. Maybe this right here? Aloha. Maybe this? King of the castle, my lady. Houston, we have an accident. Project Zorgo's favorite hat. I'm gonna take my horse to the Old Town Road. Oh wait, here's all the wigs. Which one looks like Dax the most? Oh. This kind of looks like Dax, right? I mean, not the face, but the hair. Let's give it a go. Okay. I got it right here.
Oh, Daniel!
Hey.
You're back!
I bought one.
You got...
Kind of looks just like Dax's hair, right?
Yeah, but Dax doesn't have long hair, Daniel. This is super long. Oh my gosh. You really are becoming Dax, aren't you?
What do you mean by that exactly?
Let's adjust that. I think this should go in the front. Yes.
Like that?
Yeah, kind of.
Put the bandana on like that?
Yeah. Okay, now let's hear your accent, Daniel.
Oh, hey bro, it's me, Dax from FedEx.
That's pretty good, Daniel.
Hurts my throat.
So we actually need to get a package to deliver to PZ9 though. Let's go look for one. Wait, there's a package right here. Oh, is it empty? We gotta make sure that we're not just taking anybody's packages.
I think it's just recycling. Oh gosh. Oh. So we'll just tape this up, it'll be empty, and I'll say, hey PZ9, give me your signature, bro.
Daniel, let's kill two birds with one stone here. How about I make a flash package out of this? So just in case PZ9 attack you or something, you can use this against him.
Nice, okay, cool.
I'm a DIY spy ninja. Perfect, I have all the materials I need. Flash package is nothing but a loud sound with a big flash. So here I have a flashlight from the Essential Spy Kit. To combine that with a walkie-talkie makes the perfect combination. And of course some secret DIY wiring work that I can't truly reveal to you guys. But here it is, the complete package.
Let's put it in the box, tape this baby up. Is that him over there?
Oh my gosh, look, you're right.
That's definitely him.
That's him. Daniel, I'm not in disguise, so I think I need to hide.
Find a hiding place over there. I'm gonna go work my magic. Okay guys, give me a thumbs up to wish me good luck to help my Dax disguise work and trick PZ9.
Make sure to talk in the Dax accent, okay, Daniel?
Oh, that's right.
Okay. All right.
All right, bro.
All right, bye, bro.
Bye, bro. See you around.
See ya. Right here. Here's a good hiding spot. Daniel's approaching PZ9 right now.
Hey, bro. How's it going, man?
Dax?
Yeah, it's me, Dax from FedEx.
Oh, I think they bought his accent. He didn't have a lot of time to work on it, so it could use a little tweaking.
I was driving around in my FedEx truck, and I realized I have a package for you, bro. The only thing is, bro, I need your signature to deliver this package.
I didn't sign up for any packages. I'm not interested, Dax.
Oh, well, this is a prize, man. A righteous prize. You won.
I didn't enroll in any giveaways or anything like that.
Come on, Daniel. Persuade him. Use your persuasion skills.
Usually when FedEx tells me to get a signature, it's really expensive. Yeah.
Well, expensive, huh? That might be more of my flavor.
Yeah, bro.
PZ9 doesn't have any money, so saying that it's expensive is a great idea, Daniel.
Oh, hey, whoa, bro. Not so fast. I need a signature if you want the package.
All right, hand it over. Come on.
Right here.
Have you been staying inside a lot lately, Dax?
What do you mean staying inside, bro?
Looks like you need a little bit more sun.
What?
Oh my gosh, that's so true. That's what I said too.
You also look really hungry.
Here you go. Oh, congratulations. Oh, don't open it up yet, though. See you later.
Why?
Let's go. We got a good hiding spot. Daniel.
It worked. It totally worked.
Oh my gosh, good job, Daniel.
Got a signature right here. He's gonna open the flash package, though, I think. Oh no.
It worked!
Yes, there you go.
Good job! Good job!
Okay, let's get the heck out of here and see what his name is once and for all.
Okay, let's go!
Over here.
Oh my gosh, right here. I don't think they can see us behind the bushes.
No, definitely not. Let's see what the signature says. You're the signature expert, right?
I am.
All right, yeah, what's it say? What's it say?
Right there. Oh my gosh. You guys, that is definitely an M right there.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, like it's right here. I can't tell what this is. This can be an L or a T, but they didn't cross it.
And that kind of looks like an IN again.
Yeah, like there's a dot here for an I and an N. Spy Ninjas, leave a comment down below if you know what this is.
Spy Ninjas, you gotta figure out this name for us, or else PZ9 is gonna reveal our safe house location to Project Zorgo.
Let's meet up with Chad and Regina and tell them what we found.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Go.